Okay, we got May 7th. It is a Tuesday, May 7th. Big day today. Big day today. I mean, some of these positions I'm watching did really well today. So, wanted to make a quick video, kind of a not celebratory. I mean, what am I celebrating? Ain't nothing's changed. So, um, yeah, I got a little sidetracked. I'm excited, but um, today's video we're gonna be going over the current swing trades that I'm in, and then we're gonna be going over a few of the setups that I really like heading into the rest of the week, and then gonna be breaking down a little bit of trading, a little bit of technical analysis as always. So if you could leave a like, comment, or subscribe, I would very much appreciate it, and we will be getting right into what we're looking at. All right, we're going to be starting off with AEP right here, so American Electric Power. We've been in AEP since way back here. This is going to be our fourth week in this trade, coming up this Friday back here. There's where we've been in. Here is the current trade status. We're kind of basing and breaking, so kind of a consolidation pattern. This honestly looks like a rising wedge now that I'm looking at it, especially on the 4 hour. It looked very much like a rising wedge. I had drawn a line through here, and then just like a rising wedge, you come up here, come down here, reject one more time. We had that rejection early on intraday, and then we ended up closing above on the 4 hour, above 89. Excuse me, above 89 right there. So that is going to be AEP. We did close above 89 on higher volume today. That is fantastic to see. I mean, that is really, really, really good to see. I think if I pop on earnings here again, that large red candle right there was earnings. They did beat on earnings, and then we, smack dabbed right down to 86. Completely just, I mean, we just absolutely destroyed any sellers here post earnings by this bullish engulfing on high volume. We came up, we upper wicked 89, and then we've been kind of, slowly grinding up here. So, really like how AEP looks right now. I mean, this thing looks awesome. So nice job, AEP. Again, our exit out of this position will be a break below the 9 EMA on the weekly. So we're swinging leaps and we're swinging commons here. So we have, I mean, obviously not nothing but time on the leaps, but we got nothing but time on the commons. So I'm going to let these work, and who knows. Duke had an awesome day. I mean, you pretty much the same thing as AEP. We had that large sell volume candle. I mean, obviously it doesn't look like a lot of sell volume right now, but that was a considerable amount of sell volume within these last 6 days. We have this day. Oh damn, that's kind of like a bullish engulfing. We touch tapped 150 right there, and then we just keep rising on increased buying volume right here. And then we kind of just broke it today on insane volume. So, damn, Duke. Damn. Nice job, Duke. This is a great trade so far. So, we've been in it since back here, and then we'll be exiting after a close of the 9 EMA. Same shit as AEP, leaps and commons here. So, that is Duke. Just wanted to give a little shout out to Duke today. I mean, come on, that's so good. Nice job, Duke. SO, I mean, damn, SO. I mean, damn, I was kind of nervous about this one going in today. We're, same thing as the other one, we're kind of basing and breaking here. We had some very high volume doji coming in right here. Right in, not necessarily supply. I mean, you could consider it supply, between 74.50 and 76 back here. Very, very, very high volume coming in yesterday. That made me a little nervous. Today, I mean, damn. That is a high volume, bullish engulfing, just completely saying fuck you to 76. So, yeah, that's really good. Nice job, Southern. We're going to be same thing as Duke and AEP. We're going to be exiting when we get a close below the 9 EMA here on the weekly. So same shit as AEP. This should sound like the same shit from trade to trade because it is the same trading strategy here. So let's go on to PEP. PEP, we had a big level here for PEP. 176.50 was the massive level coming into today. If we look at it here, I mean, I had 176.50 here for obvious reasons. I mean, we rejected, 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 and then we finally close here above today. So nice job, Pep. That's exactly what I wanted to see. We did close fairly significantly, actually above 176.50, and we actually turned it to support on the daily candle. See how we even gapped above. It looks like we gapped up to 177. We came back down. We didn't fill that gap, but we held 176.50, which was previous resistance, turned new support. Which is really good to see. So nice job, Pep. Hopefully this can get some legs going here. I at least expect this to come up here and test this upper wick, 180.63-ish. So at the very least, I'd expect some kind of long move up to 180.63 here, now that it has broken out of this little flag. So we will see what Pep has in store. Same thing as the other ones. Weekly close below the 9 EMA here. We're pretty not like extended, but we're, you know, this could definitely consolidate for I don't know how much longer, and it still be above the 9 EMA. So that's also partly reason why I'm trading commons and leaps here. PCG kind of looking like the same thing as AEP and Duke. It just hasn't really taken off yet. It looks like it really looks like 1770 is the level here. We haven't closed above 1770 yet, so a little ascending triangle into 1770. Sure, let's see what it's got. So nice job, PCG. We've been in PCG since this massive candle back here. We've been in PCG since back here, so great movement so far. I mean, what? I just showed you 3 or 4 trades that we had some awesome weekly movements here. I mean, this whole list, AEP, Duke. I mean, these are some nice weekly movements here. Pep, we haven't had it yet. PCG, we're going. So let's move on to PM. PM is kind of consolidating here on the daily. I mean, we cannot sleep on PM. I actually think PM is gapping down in after hours, which is honestly great. No, it's not. Okay, I wish it was. I really wanted this back in 96 because I love this setup. I mean, this setup looks fantastic. I mean, this buying volume, I'd be concerned if there's, you know, some upper wicks here. These are 2 very full buying candles. And this candle right here, this sell candle has very low volume, insanely low volume is what I was going to say. But it's very low volume here. So really like how PM looks right now. What it's doing, I'm not really sure. It could be just, you know, it's consolidating here. Do we drop tomorrow back to 196? I mean, I hope. Do I think it's likely? I don't know. I mean, this buying volume here is eventually going to come back and start imposing its will on sellers here. I mean, this is just absolutely absurd. An absurd 4-hour candle right there. I mean, where's the yeah. I mean, yeah. PM looks really nice. Hasn't taken off yet. I mean, it's not very surprising. You know, we did have some insane volume coming in the last few weeks. So a little consolidation period is honestly expected and probably good. So nice job, PM. This thing is going to absolutely moon above 99 in my opinion. I really like this. So if it comes back to 96 first, sure, force my hand, I'll buy. Above 96, and I don't really care. It comes down to 96 and maybe even below. Yes, I'm buying above 99, and this thing's going, in my opinion. Also, 96 will probably be our risk. So any close below, it'll probably be this little close right here. 95.60. 95.60 will be a daily close below 95.60, and that'll be our stop on PM. CAR. So CAR had an interesting day today. A little bearish. This is more bearish than people think. This is a fairly high volume candle with a very small spread, and a decent, it is, decent bottom wick, decent top wick. So it's not too scary. I just think there was definitely some selling going on here. So I think 63 is likely going to be our new area of support, and I think 63 is likely going to hold until proven otherwise. So, but this has been, there's a fairly large gap on the weekly candle right there, just because we did gap up Monday like that. So I could see some selling, but at least short term, this looks awesome. So. Nice job, Car. And this daily buying volume is fantastic, especially this day. Actually, this is more concerning. Actually, now that I look at it, Car was the one that I was a little more concerned with because if we go take a look, there's one glaring obvious here that Car has that PM does not. Car has this. Okay, this is like putting on the brakes when you have this high volume buying candle followed by 3/4 of that again in sell volume. That's essentially putting on the brakes. So that's just a lot of volume there on that pullback where institutions did actually sell out. That is not retail selling out. I mean, objectively, that's the highest sell volume we've had since back here. And back in earnings. So that is no joke. That is no light sissy sell volume. Now if we go look at PM, are we gonna see that? Where is that on PM? Show me where that is on PM. It's not. See how that low volume pullback was just absolutely minuscule compared to this buying volume. So much better on Car or PM. And notice how PM is even taking longer to get out than Car is. Car had that sell volume that is a cause for concern, and then it just kind of completely, it kind of just 1, 2, 3, boom, we're going again. So I'd honestly consider that a concern, and I think the more correctional play was honestly the better move here. So I guess I have more confidence in PM than Car right now, and PM, it's kind of still in its range, and Car has broken the range. So more bearish signs on Car, but I don't think it's necessarily a cause for concern. I mean, this buying volume, it's really this one day right here that's for a concern. I mean, today's kind of a concern, but whatever. Gonna be monitoring. This is a weekly play, so we got quite a bit. We're playing shares here. I think any loss of 60 on my shares and I'd be out. But we are trading at 64 right now, so got a little bit. For Deer, I'm not really playing Deer right now. I actually want this to fail. I can't believe it actually closed above 402 today. That kind of pissed me off, I can't lie. DXCM, I'm still looking short. I mean, this bear flag looks fantastic. It's just I haven't seen sellers yet. Small candle, small buying volume today. That is not an anomaly. That's no real sellers right there. So I'm kind of surprised on DXCM. Maybe 132.50 is the short level here. I don't know. It's just not proving anything yet, and just because we're back at supply, just because I think 130 is likely to reject, there's no shot in hell I'm taking that. As a newer trader, I'd see it come back to former support and be okay. Well, that's going to be new resistance. I'm going to take a short here and get a better entry. I always thought the better entry made more sense than waiting for confirmation, just because I don't know. But as I traded, or the longer I traded it, I realized it's all about confirmation. This thing could double top. This thing could come here, down, bear flag all the way up to 138, and then be ready once it forms that structure. I don't give a damn. I'm not shorting until it gives me that structure. And right now, structure is very much bullish. Structure is bullish. You cannot deny structure is bullish right now, in the short term on the daily. And why is that? Because of this right here. That little blip on the chart, that little lower high, higher low. It created a higher low than this low right here. So we are now in a bullish structure, and until proven otherwise. So I'd be proven otherwise by, let's say we gap down tomorrow. Oh, okay. I don't want a rectangle now. Let's say we gap down tomorrow. Let's say we hold. Let's say we come here. Now, right there, that is still a bullish structure. Why is that a bullish structure? We had a higher high right here, and we had a higher low right here. That is still a bullish structure. We need structure to become bearish. So we need some kind of like up here. Yep, give it to me. Down here, boom, right there. So since price didn't create that new high, that created a double top and then broke this recent higher low. That is a bearish structure. So I want to be in trades essentially when structure favors my position. Right now this is a bearish structure and I'm trying to short. Hands off. No touch. Hot stove, no touch. DXCM is what I'm looking to enter. Deer I'm going to remove. It's just I need that. That needs a little bit. Also, earnings are coming up. I really hope earnings fails. let's get into the trades that I'm looking into for the rest of the week. It's essentially UPS and J&J here. UPS and AMT, I just think it's going to be leaving here. UPS, you know, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days of consolidation, 10 days within this tight range. Whenever I see 10 days of anything consolidation like this, my eyes are obviously going to be on it. So pretty simple here. I mean, above 148, and I'm looking for confirmation long. Below 146, I'm looking for confirmation short. So yeah, I really like this. So I think you know, weekly, monthly, and everything's telling me this is short. Daily's telling me this is long. So I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. This could truly break to either side. I could see this coming back down. You know, this is a pretty bearish structure. I mean, like, you cannot ignore this. You just can't ignore the fact that there's a double top right here, and this is this sell volume right here. So I think that favors sell. I think the weekly favors sell. You know, I think maybe not. You know, I mean, we had some very high volume weekly buying. I mean, weekly structure is certainly it is still bearish until proven otherwise this week. It could be proven otherwise this week. Okay, so that is UPS, pretty easy, 148, 146 there. J&J, very excited about this one. This one looks sexy as hell. I'm gonna actually pull up my Twitter here. J&J, I think I tweeted this one 3 times because I'm so excited about this, but no likes, no nothing. So high volume buying, 3, 4, 4 inside daily candles right there. Good lord. This is the look on the 4 hour. That is a sexy bull flag over 148. And then look at this double top bull flag over, like, you know, the neckline essentially. So damn, this looks awesome. I'm looking for above 150, and I'm getting long on J&J. So that is a plan on J&J right there. That will wrap up the video. New trades, J&J and UPS. Otherwise, just monitoring my longer term positions. I might have talked about MSOS in another video. I did not. No trade on this one anymore. We failed 950. Don't care. We're out. So no more watching or trading MSOS. So that'll wrap it up for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.